It's that time of year again. B&M Doctor Who figures are back out, or they're working their way out at the moment. It's very difficult to find. Well, no, difficult to find the right store. Today I popped down to my local B&Ms for like I think I've gone every day since the sets started working their way into shops. On Thursday, I had a strange urge to go this morning. Glad I did, because they weren't even on the shelves yet. They were by a pile. They were in a pile by a pile of stock that they hadn't put out on shelves yet. So I very cheekily went and grabbed myself the 4th Doctor and TARDIS from Shada and the 5th Doctor and TARDIS from Caves of Androzani. They didn't, as far as I could tell, they didn't have anything else in, just 2 of each of these TARDIS sets. So I grabbed one, and today I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I will eventually do a proper in-depth review of these, but today, why don't we just crack them out of the boxes and see how they are. So the packaging is the same style as the previous 4th Doctor and TARDIS. Get out. Oh. Lovely jubbly. And I shouldn't point a knife towards my face either. I do quite like these new display-esque pieces that they're doing now with these sets. By that I mean that the backdrops are rather lovely. Oh dear, I need a screwdriver. 1 minute. How silly of me forgetting I need a screwdriver to get TARDISes out of the boxes. Whoops. Clearly not very prepared for this video. It was a little spontaneous. Okay, here we are. Now we're getting somewhere. So here we have get him out of his little plastic prison here. So here is the 4th Doctor from Shada. If it will focus, there we are. Lovely variant of the 4th Doctor, really nice. It's basically just the Destiny of the Daleks figure, with the jacket repainted to match the brown one which he wears, season 16, 17, something. And also repainted scarf, which is much nicer than the original version which came with the City of Death 4th Doctor. So it's kind of a hybrid of those 2 figures repainted. Very nice, very impressed. Lovely addition to the shelf. His scarf seems to have been a bit squashed in the box, so it sits out like that rather than like that. I have to pop it in some boiling water and sort that out. Ah, come on, you shit. Have you done it? Get it out. Are you going to do it? Oh, there we are. Out. Sodding thing. And here is the TARDIS, of course, with the lovely new, more accurate, thinner base. Very nice. Very nice. And still got the speaker holes. I wish they could cover these up. You don't need them. And the new lantern, done rather well. Nice. Like it. So that is the 4th Doctor and TARDIS from Shada. Now let's move on to one which, good grief, I have wanted this for such a long time. A proper 5th Doctor TARDIS, the 5th Doctor's TARDIS and the 5th Doctor from the Caves of Androzani. From the very end of the episode where he's all dirty and... again, I will get into my full thoughts on this figure when I come around to do the review. Look at these inks. What have I done with that screwdriver? Where the hell is it? I am so happy we have a proper 5th Doctor TARDIS. because the only 80s TARDIS that we have is, of course, the electronic 7th Doctor TARDIS from Ghostlight, which is a very light blue. There we are. Well, that was a lot easier than the last, now that I know what I'm doing anyway. So there is the 5th Doctor's TARDIS. Absolutely love it. You know, it's got the lovely dirt effect along base, which is really nice. The windows are a little yellowed, which is good as well, as they should be. It's quite dirty, quite tatty, so I really like that. Excellent, nice one. Happy to finally have that TARDIS in the collection. And now, last but not least, Mr. Peter Davison himself. Come on. And there we are. It would help if I cut with the short edge. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Here he is, the 5th Doctor. Paint outs are a bit iff on that jumper, aren't they? God, look at that. Look at that. What the hell's that? Oh dear. I don't know. Nice variant of the 5th Doctor, but it's using the 13 Doctors set version of the 5th Doctor. Like I said, I'll get into it on my review, but I just do not like this version. I don't like this version of the 5th Doctor. Just before we wrap up though, there is the backdrop for the 5th Doctor and TARDIS. Lovely backdrop of Androzani Minor with all the mud bursts going on. Very nice. Rather lovely. Like that a lot. Excellent. And here is the backdrop for the 4th Doctor and TARDIS from Shada. I've got it upside down. And it is at Professor Chronotis' office, which is rather lovely. Lots of nice little Easter eggs in there. You've got a rock robot head, the moments down there, dematerialization circuit. Splendid, there they are. So, one last time. Here is the 4th Doctor, Shada. Here's the 4th Doctor's TARDIS. Here is the 5th Doctor from the Caves of Androzani. And here is the 5th Doctor's TARDIS. Wow. Like I said, reviews will be coming soon on each of these sets, and I hope to pick up the rest of them rather soon. The other 6 sets, the other 3 Doctor Dalek Big Finish packs, and the 3 figure packs. Marvellous! So, remember to stay tuned for a review of these sets coming very, very soon, and I shall see you then.